Hey everybody, so I'm going to show you how I cleanse my strip lashes. These are all the materials you're going to need. And first things first, I'll go ahead and pour this rubbing alcohol. This is a Vaseline top, whatever you can find to use as a little bowl, you can use it. I pour it in there, then I take my Q-tip and wipe it along the line of the lash, and I'll try to pull off any of the gunk that I can and just get as much as you can off without pulling any of the lashes off. So you want to be gentle. Once I got off everything that I can, I'll go ahead and just soak them in the alcohol for about 10 minutes, and I'll do this for every lash. And you can use any makeup remover too, but I just like to use alcohol because I feel like it's stronger. It can get more off, but that's up to you. After 10 minutes, I will keep them in there in the alcohol, but try to like rub off as much as I can while it's still soaking. And then I will take it out and kind of wipe it with a napkin and try to get the remainder off by pulling it with the tweezers and wiping it with the napkin like I am here. Once I've done this to every lash, I go ahead and brush them through with my little spoolie. And then I will place them back on the tray just to make sure that they keep that curve while they're drying. And then you got some fresh and clean lash strips. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.